Welcome back to Future Car. Today we're talking about one of the most luxurious and high-performance vehicles on the market, the BMW XM7. This car is a beast, and we're going to dive into all its features and specs. The BMW XM7 is a plug-in hybrid SUV that's part of BMW's high-performance M series. It packs a punch with its powerful engine and electric motor, producing a combined 644 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This car can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 4 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the road. To put that into perspective, that's faster than a lot of sports cars out there. One of the standout features of the XM7 is its sleek and aggressive design. The front grille is massive, with vertical slats that give it a menacing look. The LED headlights are slim and angular, adding to the car's aggressive stance. The XM7 also comes with 23-inch alloy wheels, which are massive and give the car a commanding presence on the road. And let's not forget the iconic M badges on the side, a clear indication that this car is built for performance. Inside, the XM7 is just as impressive. The cabin is luxurious, with premium leather upholstery and carbon fiber trim. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, with a massive curved display that controls everything from navigation to climate control. The XM7 also comes with a range of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. And with BMW's advanced gesture control system, you can even control certain functions with hand gestures. But what really sets the XM7 apart is its advanced technology. The car comes with a range of driving modes, including a pure electric mode that allows you to drive for up to 30 miles on battery power alone. The XM7 also features BMW's latest iDrive system, which uses AI to learn your driving habits and adapt to your preferences. And with the XM7's advanced all-wheel drive system, you can tackle even the toughest terrain with confidence. Of course, all this luxury and performance comes at a price. The BMW XM7 starts at around $200,000, making it one of the most expensive SUVs on the market. But for those who can afford it, the XM7 offers an unparalleled driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving up a mountain road, this car is sure to put a smile on your face. In terms of safety, the XM7 has got you covered. It comes with a range of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and blind spot detection. And with its robust build quality and advanced materials, you can trust that you're protected on the road. In conclusion, the BMW XM7 is a true marvel of modern engineering. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and luxurious interior, it's a car that's sure to turn heads on the road. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just looking for a stylish and practical vehicle, the XM7 is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and news.